Hey, wait a minute, wait a minute. We have find something else. Breaking news, breaker, what? So we're finding another beautiful website where you can directly click, you get paid to click ads, and you can also advertise on it if you're a business person. If you want your website to get out there, you can advertise on this. It's pretty cool to use and you get paid. For all the people who are looking for side hustles, for all my day ones that subscribe to my channel, for who did not subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? We're finding them quickly and fastly, and we're getting out there, guys. So basically, I'm doing this on my phone because I don't have a laptop or anything. But guys, this literally pay you to click. Some of them is 1 cent, and but they have an upgrade option where you can upgrade. You can upgrade your account. You can upgrade your account, and you get more offers. You get paid more. So if you're a person like you're in the business world and you want to get like out there with your company or your website, you can directly choose this. Okay? Ojolo is a basically it's a website where you can promote your ads. You can get your ads out there. They got a lot of people, and plus their affiliate program is paying out like 400 and odd. I don't exactly remember how much exactly, but it's on here. As you get on this website, you're going to see it, guys. So I don't want you guys to leave it and come out of the video. I'm going to show you basically. So when you directly watch ad, that per thing that's counted down 4, 3, 2, 1, then you get paid. Then you can go back, you get back, and then when you just complete the strolling, just complete every single one of them, so they can have an idea when you have completed to get paid. Okay, so you got to do this over and over again. This is very fast, and the website it moves fast, so you don't have to really worry about your time being wasted. So guys, I want you to just take the time out, try this for a few minutes, for a few seconds. This is the basically website where it pays you to click ads, and it pays you to sign up. I think that this one is time buck. Most of you guys know about it, but some of you guys don't know about it. So TimeBuck is a website that basically pay you to watch ad, complete survey, and basically, but that's not the point here. So basically, this is what they when you sign up on TimeBuck, you earn $1 in 5 seconds, and we're not really talking about that. But I'm going to go back and show you that a lot of options is here on this where you can directly earn some dollars, and you can directly join their affiliate program, so you can directly earn some dollars with this. You guys can directly Joe Wade Wide. You guys correct me down in the comment section below, but it's basically advertising, and you have your affiliate program. You have so it show you have to complete. You can also earn up to $300, and you can be a member. You can pay for a membership if you are interested in that, guys. And it also lets you complete survey. Some of you guys may not like survey, but it's just a side hustle, guys. You don't have to always do survey, and you just gotta keep up with the questions and what's not. But guys, basically this video it lets you watch it for 30 seconds, and it pays you. So you gotta press play on this one to directly watch it, and then you will see it start counting down like that. When you see it start counting down, and you can basically do this easily So I'm not really playing the sound in this video because you know I'll copyright and all these things say. But guys, this is a basic website where you can directly earn some dollars. So it's a real fast method, and it pay you instantly. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait, guys. And they have a program. They have a program where you can earn up to $474, or it's more or less. It's around that point. But what you do, you have 470 two or $74 in your bank account right now? I know you don't. Some of you don't. Some of you may, some of you may not. But I'm just saying. And you know we are already going to try to make what we think is possible right now. So guys, this is basically a website where you can advertise if you want, you can earn if you want. So it's a lot of options, and a lot of sites is on here, a lot of popular sites is on here that is directly using this option. This directly using this option, and they're earning money. They're directly earning money from this, and they're using the app to promote their website. They're using, and they have a app. They have an app for this too. So if you guys rather the app to earn, or you rather this, it's up to you. It's just your choice at the moment. Is it's rather you, if whether you want to earn on this, or you want to just advertise on this. You want to just, if you want to advertise, there's an option for that. And so they have like 500 clicks, 5 second, $5. They have like 500 clicks, 500 click, 5 seconds, $15. So they have all type of options where you can pay, or you can just. So guys, it's basically where the earning come in is the time you're willing to spend, because nothing happened before the time, and nothing happened overnight. Okay, so you guys just have to be the one that is going to work with this website and try to earn. Okay, so when you finish watching the all the ads, you can directly refresh a page and you can earn. So they're going to give you another option. These websites allow you to click ads. These allow you to either sign up on them. So thank you for watching. If this was useful for you, subscribe and like, please.